welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is pulling up a lot of interest here. She's talking about what she would like in life from a man. She's saying that this person on her birthday, he should fly her out on a private jet to Dubai, buy her expensive stuff. She don't want any um lingerie, you know, not those type of things. She wants stuff that's going to be memorable, something that you'll be able to sit and look back on and appreciate, you know. But guys, you have to go catch the video to see what Marcia has to say in depth. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Me cooking no fucking days in my life. I cook for husbands and boyfriend back in days. Every day. I ain't cooking nothing. You come home, any bomb clock, me even want to get like a pasta, like a shrimp, and like a something dash pan the rasa, if you pussy clot name. You want other bickle, go find that blood clot by second name sardine and crackers. And you're not even birthday come. Not even remember your birthday, happy birthday, hon. Not even a pussy clot piece of jewelry. Go in a place and buy Victor secret. When me a blood clot, me I do it secret. You don't even know if you take off a blood clot drawers good. But you want to go buy 2 little drawers and 2 little perfume. You don't want a fucking perfume. Take me go a blood clot Dubai and come back. Plan for me. Plan for me. Take me somewhere nice and come surprise me. Maybe put on one nice pretty dress. I want blood clot jet and fly me around the city. Come show me something. Fly me for the weekend and put me in one nice hotel. Rub me down with some blood clot hot oil, baby. And set up the room nice in a nice jacuzzi and flowers. If I can't get that pussy clot, I don't want to know. I will fuck on for now. And I look a relationship. When I find the right one, I dump on a blood clot. And that is the way it's going to go. That is it. If me can't afford to do bad things by myself, why should I sacrifice? I don't know if it treat a man good. Not if you hack smart if you carrying out. And then what? That's why I care up my real self. Because I go on like so no dick is goal. Well, no dick ain't that goal. If a woman want to fly up now, I make dicky, go and care up my self. And I saw me mean it, and I saw me a chat, and I saw exactly where the pussy clot be. If you can't afford to do that, you're not supposed to go with me in a long time. I'm working with, I work with stress relief now. That is it. Me talk to a man right now because you want to look a company and stress. If you ain't going my way, you ain't going my way. Me not supposed to make no blood clot commitment to you. Then what you mean? Then it must have something to say if I feel a pussy clot riff-raff, you always a pick up. And then can't do one pussy clot for you. Either then tangle up or then tie up or then can't do shit for you. They don't want to go nowhere, then can't go nowhere. Then what you mean that me have a lot to say. Look how the blood clot boy they have on social media. You don't must expect me most whatever. What you expect? Don't you want something nice for yourself? Don't you live in a blood clot country? You want to adapt to the rules and principle? What you mean they can't take you out? They make excuses for everything. You want to go to the movie? Oh, Netflix is here. Fuck Netflix. Go to the movie. You work all week. You want to sing at the house. Now, so them tell when last time I got a movie? When last time I got a movie? One last time a blood clot husband come kissing up and tell us I love you. When last time walking at the house and come kissing up? Honey, I love you. When last time I hear it? When last time take off on a blood clot drawers and kissing up from head to toe? You don't get it. You got PayPal, you plan for yourself, no $1 million. Of course, me have PayPal, me have everything. PayPal, Cash App, everything me have. Zelle, everything. Western Union and MoneyGram. Eh? How you mean? You don't see how much treat you know? A 50-year-old now. You don't see how much treat you know? You don't see. You don't see how much. When last I carry out? When last I get a little flowers? When last I get a little flowers? My won't give me flowers, but I mean, when last I get flowers? I mean, this is our relationship is platonic. When last I get it? Remember, so I've been there, done that, already having a raw spitting already, Remember saying, you don't have 74, and we have 50 now. You have 20 years left. Some of you are dead in an early age. Because now worry about man and worry about things and worry about Marcia fucking problem. I mean, I worry about it. No, I don't date young guys. I date guy my age and older. But you have to look around good for your age. I don't date young guys. You have to be 49, 48 to 55. You can't be 62, but you must look like 50. But you must look distinguished and look nice. You understand? You can't have the trouser drop your body. You have to walk up straight and you can't look like you're lean. You have to have a great smile, very handsome. You have to be handsome, good shape and everything, and slim. Not too fat. Because me fat already, so I don't want a fat man. You understand? Because when the bike man broke my back. So you can't be too big and you can't be too small. 38, no, not gonna work. No, too young. No, 38 won't work. I told you from 48 and up. From 48, 50 and up. To 55. 60, but you must look like 50. I will try. I never date a man 60 years old. The furthest I ever go is 51. Or 50. 51. I never go 60, but I mean 55. Yeah, maybe 55 or 54 or so. Maybe 55 or 50. Yes. Because 65 year old man look good now. 60. Because my brother look good and he's 60 and he look like 50 something. My brother look good. Any young girl that take him up. It's how you take care of yourself. That not cut it. That's a for idiot. A idiot man, they want to work tongue and catch tongue. That not work it. That make me pass tongue business right now. Come take me around the world. And that if you come with. If name pussy, that don't mean no shit. Nothing. Name pussy is common denomination. And name pussy business not gonna work. I work at home. That's how we hope a girl get name pussy and forget it. No say name too much pussy, you get yeast infection. You want to give me yeast infection. And that's when you use a catch my about name pussy. That's a for young time. In your 20s and 30s. When you reach 50, you name about the name pussy. Well, it's good when you name pussy in your 50, because your pussy can get a little tender when you start get look hard sex them. But you need more than that. So if I name pussy alone, you can I don't use a catch my now catch me. Not me. It's getting hard in here. What a way this one here bruise you over here. This one here, me and you. Yes, me, you come over here, come chat up things. No, name pussy not gonna catch me. It not gonna catch me. That not my time here. It not gonna catch me at all. Yeah, this one here put up phone number, then I work on a phone number that. Ras. What a way you want pussy for name in the night here? No, sir. If your name is a pussy, you get mad and stalk me. I mean, I want to stalk around here. Because some of them, they on social media stalk me, never get a pussy yet. So if you get it now, me I forgot to take bodyguard. And me can't afford a bodyguard right now. So you try your best. So nobody will is a pussy name right now. Yes, my child. It's getting hard in here. Don't take off all your clothes. I am getting so no, me not time for that. I want me want people, spontaneous people. Don't we want a man? If I even ladies jealous, ladies get jealous. don't you want a man? Don't we as women, we want a man. We're in America, we're not in Jamaica, where people are there's so many places to go. We are not confined to go places. In Jamaica, you have establishment businessman. And if you're in Jamaica, you're doing well, I have a business. I go to hotel in Jamaica, Grand Bay and different hotels. And I met Jamaican man at the club who carried a woman and children to the hotel on the weekend. And I applaud those gentlemen. Some of them I have in my phone. Because I go in the club and I dance with them. And the woman come at the hotel and go on her ass bed. Where you going to bed for? Well, I mean, you carry children anyway, but still. So the man come down at the club and me and them put on some bit of dancing. And me talk to them and they're like, boy, is a nice girl. And we are talking. I say, yes, I'm married. I say, me and my wife come. And even in the daytime, I see them walking around for the weekend. That is nice. In America here, there's a lot of places to go. Even in the winter now, you can go to the Poconos. You can go to Atlantic City. You can go to different places. You even can take a little trip, drive to Canada and go to Niagara Falls and them sort of something there. You can go to Nantucket. Over there is nice too. You can even jump. You can even go to Utah. You can't just let other culture enjoy winter benefits and we sit down. And this is what the white folks them do. Them get vacation, them gone to Utah, them gone to Nantucket, they gone to little skiing while we sit down and we jealous of a certain situation. And you and una can't afford it too. Una can't afford it too, you know. Una can't afford it too. I want to deprive on yourself and the kids from giving them the opportunity to go learn to ski, just in case if them caught up into something. Or they go on a school trips and or then go to college and they want to go with their friends to different part of the world and do ice skating. Give your kids them ice skating. Give your kids them teach your kids them tennis. Give them swimming lessons. Most of them can't swim. Send them to the YMCA go learn to swim. Give them the opportunity. White people start have them baby in a swimming pool for the baby them young. You understand? Black people do it, but it's not much. That's why some of them drown. They don't know how to swim. There is water and pool there everywhere. You want them to enjoy the pool and jump off and enjoy themselves. Teach them how to swim. Teach them how to play tennis. Give them a little tennis lesson. When CJ was growing up, CJ got everything. CJ got tennis at Warwilkin Park. CJ got karate school. CJ got soccer and CJ got baseball. CJ have a lot of trophy. CJ win a lot of trophy. I'm telling you straight up, he was talented. Anything that he touched, he get a trophy night. We send him to summer camp, too, and he go on trips. So if him can't swim, we give him the opportunity to learn to swim. Especially you mothers, we have one bikini. You have to give them the opportunity. You have to take time and you have to jump on the bus and you take them to Great Adventure up in Jersey. I go to Great Adventure every year. You understand? So give them the privilege. When they go college and they meet them different nationality and they're like, oh, I would like to go skiing. You want to go to Alaska with us? You want to go to Utah with us to ski? Them no want to go. Them not go have fun if they don't know if ski. When the white people them and the whatever jump in and them ski suit and down the slope and they stand up there, can't have fun because they don't know how to ski. Step up on a ass game. Step up with the game and give the kids them. A time of the day I spend money on cocky partner and I get a pussy draw. Spend it on the children and give them the opportunities. And introduce them. Because as a matter of fact, when the black people them know if they start do them something to do it better. They want to. But we don't want to spend it. We don't want to go blood clad, go buy deer wig. How much wigs? For $500, for $1,000. Well, what is happening now? People are walk a drag off wig. Do you see the girl on Instagram? On TikTok? She a walking a nice lace front wig, pinned down lace front wig. Somebody jump out of one black car and rip off the wig off her head. So once you see that trend start happen, they're going to start doing it. Them going to know that the wig, that's why me not wear no their wig. Me not pass $100. Me not passing $100. Then could I will pluck off this one here. I think this one must cost $70. Me not pass $100. $100 me not pass. The only time I say me plan to buy a wig for my birthday, for my 51 birthday, I would love to buy a $300 wig. Me not lie. That's what I said. For my 51 birthday, I would want a nice afro-looking wig. Not afro. The curly hair were big, like the blonde one I wear. But I want it in a real hair. That is the only thing me say me want to invest in. Last year, my 50, me a big birthday party and I went on a cruise. And me say, I would love to invest in a one nice wig from Love Me Here or some other companies. And me want the curly wig. You see the one that me have on, but not trashy. Me want it in a one real one. Me want it big. Like or Diana Ross them wear the hairstyle. Because they here to fit me. That are the only thing me say, I would like to get a wig for my birthday. And what is Anne-Marie Amari exposed Gully Bop manager for renting a coffin? Renting a coffin. Somebody can rent coffin. We just see that pop up on YouTube. Gully Bop bury it. That's the only thing, you know. That's the only time me say my birthday next month. I would love to get a wig. Like $300. Them type of wig there for my birthday. The curly wig. The big curly wig them. Because I've been wearing those wigs all my life. I love them. Diana Ross is my idol and Tina Turner them. So I love Diana Ross with the big hair and them something there. So that's the only time. But otherwise, may have hair, you know. May have whole heap of human hair we cost. May have human hair, you know. We go up to $1,000, you know. But me never buy it one time. I went to Glitzy and Merritt Boulevard. And me buy $300. What? I go buy one $300 and buy the frontal until it reach up to 9, but me buy it little. Me have them tie up in a plastic bag said way. I weave my head, me take them out and didn't dash them away. Me have them same way. Me say one day I'm going to, I realized on YouTube, on TikTok, me see one lady, she said, to restore your hair, dip them down in a hot water, wash them, dip them down in a water, and then come back brand new. One day I'm going to do that, dry them, somebody make one stocking cap for me, and cut it nice. Some of them long, I used to, back in the days when I used to go to Jamaica, me not wear cheap hair. I pay human hair. I have a lot of human hair in a plastic bag tie up. Me not ask you, whole heap of human hair, how much money we spend for it. My sister spend money for me and I realize, no, I am not